The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is just 4 months away from its official release, and we've already uncovered one of the surprises Samsung has in store, and it's truly remarkable. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be the thinnest and lightest Ultra flagship phone on the market, surpassing the Pixel 9 Pro XL and iPhone 16 Pro Max in these aspects. How Samsung will achieve this remains a mystery, especially considering that both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and iPhone 15 Pro Max are currently lighter and thinner than the S24 Ultra. These two models are the lightest large flagship phones available today, yet the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to surpass them in both thinness and weight, all while incorporating the S Pen. If it happens, it will be truly astounding. We're not sure what design magic Samsung is planning for the S25 Ultra, but it's clear that this device will be more than just another Galaxy flagship. Samsung is working on something extraordinary, possibly the best design they've ever created for an Ultra flagship. Samsung is facing significant pressure as Apple prepares to reshape the smartphone landscape with its upcoming iPhone 16 series. This situation is similar to when Samsung revolutionized the smartphone industry with its Galaxy S24 Ultra by introducing artificial intelligence into smartphones for the first time. Back then, Samsung set a new standard, outperforming all its competitors in the market. Now, with Apple poised to make its own game-changing moves with its upcoming iPhone 16 series, the competition is more intense than ever. In other news, although it may seem surprising since One UI 7 hasn't even been released yet, Samsung is already hard at work on its One UI 7.1. The first build of this software was recently spotted for the US carrier-locked version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The early appearance of One UI 7.1 suggests that Samsung is preparing some impressive features for this version, which will be based on Android 15 and come pre-installed on the S25 lineup. It's likely that Samsung will release One UI 7 either right after or on the same day as the iPhone 16 series launch. This timing could be a strategic move to ensure Apple doesn't dominate the spotlight. If the rumors are accurate, One UI 7 is expected to introduce significant changes to Samsung smartphones, which could play a key role in retaining users and preventing them from switching to other brands. The question now is whether these updates will be compelling enough to keep Samsung users loyal. What are your thoughts? Do you think One UI 7 will help Samsung retain its user base? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Lastly, Samsung's XR headset is becoming more of a reality each day. According to a leak from the Geekbench database, the Samsung XR headset, model number SM-L130, is indeed real. It's running on the Snapdragon XR Plus 2 Gen 1 chip with 16 gigs of RAM and an Android 14-based operating system. Although the benchmark scores are currently on the lower side, it's important to remember that this is the first XR headset developed in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. This XR device will probably give tough competition to Apple Vision Pro, but we'll have to wait and see how it performs in real-world scenarios. Hopefully, we'll get more details at the Galaxy Unpacked event in January 2025. Feel free to share your thoughts about Samsung's upcoming design for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which promises to be incredibly thin and lightweight despite housing the S Pen. It's going to be fascinating to watch. Do you think they'll make it happen? Also, do you think Samsung will have the last laugh? Let us know in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.